If you want to know how to get read receipts in Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can request a read receipt before sending an important email. This is especially useful if you're sending business messages, follow-ups, or anything that you want to make sure gets opened. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, you'll want to click Compose to start a new email. This opens a fresh message window where you can enter the recipient, subject line, and your message as usual. Now here's the important part. In the Compose window, look to the bottom right corner and click More Options, which is the three-dot menu. This opens additional settings for the email you're about to send. From there, click Request Read Receipt. Now, it's important to know that this option is only available on Google Workspace accounts. If you're using a personal Gmail account, you may not see this feature. But if you do have access to it, selecting this option tells Gmail that you want to be notified when the recipient opens your email and sends the receipt back. After that, just finish writing your email if you haven't already, and then click Send. Once the recipient opens the email and their system sends back the receipt, you'll receive a notification letting you know that it has been read. So that's it. In just a few clicks, you can request a read receipt in Gmail and get a notification when your message is opened. It's a simple but very useful feature if you need extra confirmation on important emails. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.